Rainforest Rescue. Can you read this again?
Rainforest Rescue.
Okay, so who is the title or who is the writer of the story? You know who is the title or who is the writer of the story? Okay,
It's
so this one, it's
title Listen.
okay.
Illustrated
Okay, so the writer of the story is Paul Shipton. And who is the illustrator?
is illustrated by Ben Ben by B.
Okay, so the illustrator was or is Fabiano Furin. Okay? Okay, again, the illustrator of the story is Fabiano Furin, and then it's written by the writer is Paul Shipton. Okay? Okay, so now in here again we have this one. Oh, no need to read this one because you know it already who they are. So now in here, please read this.
I'm hungry, said Grandma. What fruit do we have? We have apple, and bananas. Say Granny, you are. Oh, thank you. Say Grandma, I want to eat my favorite fruit today.
Okay, so I'm hungry, says Grandpa. What fruit do we have? We have apples and bananas, says Clank. Here you are. No, thank you, says Grandpa. I want to eat my favorite fruit today. Okay, so what did Grandpa's looking?
Grandpa looking fruit. Grandpa looking fruit. Grandpa is
Looking for a
hungry.
fruit.
Fruit, fruit.
Yes, why is it that grandpa is looking a fruit?
Because Grandpa is hungry.
Okay. So because grandpa is hungry. Okay, good job. Okay, so now look at this next part, okay?
Rosie is in the kitchen with her friend Atlas. What's your favorite? Say Rainbow. Rainbow. Ask Rosie. Rainbow. What should the dog we can go and find it? Come with me. Can I come to? Ask them.
Okay. Rosie is in the kitchen with her friend Alice. What's your favorite fruit, Grandpa? asked Rosie. Grandpa walks to the door. We can go and find it. Come with me. Can I come too? Okay, asked Ben. Okay, so again, where did Rosie or what part of the house where Rosie's staying? What part?
Is Rosie.
Again?
No.
They are in what?
They are in kitchen.
Okay, so they are in the kitchen. And they are, okay, what is the name of the friends? Okay,
Is
so again, what's the Rose's friends?
is Alex.
Okay, it is Alice. Good job. Okay, so did grandpa's how do you say? Did Rosie tell what's favorites of what fruit of favorite by his grandfather?
Uh, I don't know.
Oh, it doesn't mention here. Okay, so now let's go to our next page. Okay, in here. Okay, what can you tell me about this picture?
Is uh,
Again?
no, say grandma. Langsa, star, and brook. Pen and dry.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so in this picture, Let's have this one. Okay, please read this.
In the van, Grandpa said to Clark, "Let's go." Grandpa asked Ben, "Do you want to go the star?" "Oh," said Grandpa. Clark start the van and drive.
Okay, so in the van, Grandpa says to Clunk, "Let's go." Where Grandpa?" asked Ben. "Do you want to go to the store?" "No," says Grandpa. Clunk starts the van and drives. Okay, who drives the van?
It's Clark.
Okay, it's Clunk. Okay, so look at this one. Okay, so now let's go to our next page first. Okay, so what can you say about this picture?
They are in a rainforest.
Okay, so there are, or they are. So they are in the rainforest.
They
And what?
are they are in a rainforest.
Okay, so do you know what is this?
It's a rainforest.
This one. This picture is in the rainforest. Okay, but this one, do you know what is this?
It's waterfall.
Okay, good job. It is a waterfall. Okay, have you tried to go to or to visit a waterfall in your country?
Um,
Ah, have you tried to visit a waterfall?
no.
You might be also visit this one because this place is nice. Okay, I already going this kind of place, mm, and it's very relaxing. Okay, so now please read this. This one, please read this.
We are in a rainforest.
Okay, we're in a rainforest. Good job. Okay, so now let's move on to our next page. Okay, this one first.
Yeah.
8 again. This one is next. It's number 6, 7. Okay, let's go to number 8. Okay, so how about this one? Okay, what can you say about this?
I don't know. Don't know.
Mm.
What is
Okay, so this one, and this one is they are since they are rainforest. This is a fruit tree. Okay, this one is a fruit tree. Okay, so now let's go to this one. Okay, so please read this.
my favorite fruit is the durian.
Durian. See? Okay, this is the favorite of grandpa is durian. Okay, so now please read this.
Say,
Continue reading.
say grandma, we can find it in the this rainforest. Uh, he and the children walk in the rainforest and look
Okay.
for for a tree. Grandma calls up there. Uh, he say I can see some durians in that tree.
Okay. So my favorite fruit is durian, says grandpa. We can find it in the rainforest. He and the children walk in the rainforest and look for a durian. Grandpa points up. "There!" he says. "I can see some durians in that tree." Okay, so again, what is the favorite fruit of Grandpa?
Uh,
Hmm?
it's durian.
Okay, it is.
Durian. Durian.
o- Okay, so it is a durian. Okay, so and then did Grandpa saw his favorite fruit?
It's
Yes. Did Grandpa saw the favorite fruit?
It's
Yes or no? Okay,
durian.
yes.
Yes.
Okay, yes, it's durian. Okay, so have you tried to eat durian? Hmm? Have you tried to
Uh,
eat durian? Or have you seen durian?
no, I can see the durian.
Oh, in personal, like this. This is a durian.
Ah, ah,
Yes. Have you
ah.
tried to eat this one?
Yes, yes, yes.
Is it yummy?
It's yummy.
Some.
But
Yes,
but
this is
is
yummy.
but
What?
is yummy. But what one people uh is ugly
Why?
because it's
Hmm? This is yummy. Okay, you are
yes
correct. This is yummy. But some people, okay, but some people doesn't like to eat this one because of the smell, right?
yes yes
Okay. Okay, so because they told that it is not good for the it is not good, okay? Not good the smell. But I like this fruit also. Okay, so this fruit is a family of a jackfruit. You know jackfruit?
jackfruit.
Yeah, you know jackfruit? It's look like this one. It's look like durian also. Like this.
Ah, oh,
Mm. This is yummy also, right?
yeah, it's yummy.
Yes. This is jackfruit. It's look like also durian, okay?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so now let's move on to our next page. Okay. So this one, this one. Please read this, Jack. Your microphone is turned off, Jack.
Oh. I can climb up and get some durian. Saipan clan go up the tree to play sacred, but then the girls hear a nose noisy. What's that? Asked Alice.
Okay. So I can climb up and get some durian, says Ben. Clank, go up tree too, please, says Grandpa. Then the girls hear a noise. What's that? Asked Alice. Okay, so what's that? Okay, again, who's climbing the tree to get the durian?
It's Ben.
Okay, it's Ben. Good job. Okay, so now, mm-hmm, it's Ben. But how about Clank? Is Clank also go up in the tree?
Yes.
Okay, so in this part, Clank's just helping Ben to push it down and to go the tree. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so now let's go this one. Okay, so this one, what can you say about this?
It's a baby orange gunter.
Okay, so again, let's do this one. Okay, so please read this.
This a kite next to
Cage, cage.
cage next to a tree, and there's there's
There's,
a,
there's,
there's
there's.
there's an animal in the cave. What's that? Asked Rosie. It's baby orangutan.
Orangutan, orangutan.
Jonathan. Say
Or
grandpa he he angry. Some
It again, orangutan.
some people take animals from the rainforest. They can sell young orange grandchildren. Teacher,
Yes.
can I the end at this because I'm busy.
Oh, okay. So it is just 30 minutes. Okay?
Okay,
Okay. So,
I'm busy.
oh, it's okay. Okay. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.
Sorry.